Imagine a world where energy is clean, abundant, and virtually limitless. Does that sound like a utopian dream? Perhaps. But could it be a reality thanks to hydrogen fuel cells? That's the question we're diving into today. Hydrogen fuel cells have been making waves in the energy sector, promising a future of clean, sustainable energy. But how do they stack up against other forms of energy we're familiar with? To understand this, let's first break down what a hydrogen fuel cell is. It's an energy conversion device that produces electricity by combining hydrogen and oxygen. The only byproduct of this process? Water vapor. No harmful emissions, no greenhouse gases, just clean energy and water. Now compare this to fossil fuels, the most commonly used energy source today. Fossil fuels such as oil, coal, and natural gas are finite resources. They're also notorious for their contribution to air pollution and climate change. And then there's nuclear energy. While it's a powerful source of energy, it carries the risk of catastrophic accidents, not to mention the long-term environmental impact of nuclear waste. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar power are certainly more sustainable and environmentally friendly. However, they're not without their drawbacks. Solar panels don't produce power when it's cloudy or at night, and wind turbines need the wind to blow. They're also both dependent on specific geographic locations to be most effective. On the other hand, hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to provide continuous, reliable energy regardless of the weather or time of day. They're not location dependent, and they don't produce harmful emissions. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows for hydrogen fuel cells. One of the main challenges is the production of hydrogen itself. Today, most hydrogen is produced from natural gas in a process that emits carbon dioxide. It's also challenging to store and transport hydrogen safely and efficiently. So, are hydrogen fuel cells the future of energy? They certainly have the potential. They offer a clean, sustainable energy source that can be used continuously and isn't dependent on specific geographic locations or weather conditions. But there are challenges to overcome, particularly in terms of hydrogen production, storage, and transportation. To sum it up, hydrogen fuel cells could play a crucial role in our energy future, but they're not a silver bullet solution. They'll likely be part of a mix of energy sources, alongside renewables like wind and solar, and perhaps even next-generation nuclear technologies. The future of energy is a complex and fascinating subject, and we've just scratched the surface. Hydrogen fuel cells offer a tantalizing glimpse of a clean, sustainable energy future, but there's still a long way to go. The journey towards a sustainable energy future will require innovation, determination, and a willingness to explore new frontiers. And it's a journey that we're all a part of. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, and keep imagining the possibilities. Because the future of energy is not just about technology, it's about our choices, our values, and our vision for the kind of world we want to live in.